Yeah, what we have here it's a list. So and now it's a tuple. A tuple is not just changing the brackets to be a parenthesis. The difference between a tuple and a list is a tuple is immutable while a list is mutable. Let me show you from Control S. Let me show you from the Python shell. Let me go into the Python shell. Python. Okay. Let's copy this tuple. Let's two. And this now is a tuple, this is a list. So let's add to a list. Let's see. Okay, we do temperature. Two dot append bracket. Let's add 8. There we go. And we see there's an addition of 8. Let's remove 4. Remove 4. There you go. No longer have 4. Then let's try that in our tuple. Let's add 8 to our tuple. 1 dot append to add 8. We got an error. Then let's try to remove. Let's remove 4. We still have an error there. The reason is because tuple it's immutable, it cannot be changed. So if you want to work with a data that will not be changed in the program, then you're advised to go with tuple. But if you want to work with a data that will change, or due to anything will have something to do with its changes, then you go with list. But tuple is very fast, a bit faster than list. So we'll see in the next video.